Welcome to Low Key PD. In this video, we're going to explore how to add mathematical equations and other math symbols into your Google Docs. To begin, let's say you've got your Google Doc and you want to insert some mathematics. If you go into Insert, select Equation, and then you'll notice this Equation toolbar shows up, which when you're done with it, you can close it by clicking on the X. All right, so let's say I want to add a fraction or something. All right, so I can click on the menus. It is a little bit hard to navigate if you're using a touchpad, because if you scroll off for just a second, it closes it back up. So let's say I want to add a fraction, 3, and then to get to the denominator, you're going to hit the Tab key. You can do it by clicking, but sometimes it's just quicker to use the Tab key. So now I've got my fraction, 3/2. If you'd like to adjust the size of this fraction, simply highlight the equation and then adjust the font. So if I make that font 24, now it's much bigger. If I want to make it back to 12, now that I'm out of the equation, I can go back to normal sized text. So let's say we wanted to add a problem for the students to solve. Change this back to 12 point. Solve the equation. I'm going to add some new mathematics. Let's say we have something like 2x equals, and then make sure I do this in the right order. I have to create the template for what I'm about to do first. All right, so I'm going to create an exponent. That's going to be x to a power, so x, and then tab to get to the power, -3/4. And then if I try to print this, it might be the case that the equation is going to be a little bit small. It might not print as clearly as you think. So it wouldn't be a bad idea to adjust the font on something like this, just to make it more readable. Students have to be able to read it in order to solve it. If it doesn't print clearly, that's really not on them, that's on us. But that is how you can add mathematical notation to your Google Docs.